Hey everyone, DB Explorer here, and welcome to this beach walk on Mae Haad Beach, where we're going to walk the length of Mae Haad Beach right up to Koh Ma, which is right there, and there's a peninsula which you can see gets larger or smaller depending on the tide, and you can walk right across to Koh Ma. This is on Koh Phangan, Thailand. Join me for this walk. It's another beautiful day. Light wind. My apologies, I did not bring my media mod to cover up the wind sounds.
If you are cool with it, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. It helps support the growth of my channel. I'm only going to share a few words in this video. Enjoy the walk.
The waters here are pristine, warm, all natural beaches, sandy bottom with coral reefs all along the fringe there. There's coral reefs, so you can just walk out, put a snorkel on and snorkel this area, which I plan on doing likely tomorrow. Did not put that in my plans for today. If you've just discovered my channel, make sure to check out beach walks in Hua Hin, as well as beach walks in on Koh Phangan, Had Yao, and Had Salad. Lots of families here, I'd say mainly European and Russian, with a scattering of Americans and Canadians and South Americans. There are villas along the beach, as well as a few restaurants, some snorkeling and scuba diving operators. What I love about Thailand beaches is you are left alone. People are not constantly asking you to buy stuff or to sell you stuff. It's just not within their culture to do that here. So now we are approaching Koh Ma and the peninsula. So depending on the tide, this peninsula here will take you right across to the island, and there's coral reefs all around it. Here we are, as you can see, there's people walking out onto the peninsula. This is where two parts of the ocean converge. This is how far as I'm going to go today, since I'm in my shorts and full of telephones and camera gear, and wallets, and passports. Hope you enjoyed this view of Mae Haad Mae. And Koh Ma. And as you can see here, in typical fashion, you can get a massage on the beach overlooking the ocean. And for the lucky set, they can get a bungalow right in front of the beach.